So I'm getting these weird errors where my extruder seems to just stop extruding for a little bit, and it seems like it's pretty much the same spot in the model even when the model is scaled up. So maybe it's something to do with retraction settings, and in that area they're just weird. Looking at the preview, the print says that it will do that area. Any help in troubleshooting this would be super awesome. I do hear it clicking, but I hear it clicking when it's like way down here, and so I don't know what to make of that. It sounds like it's skipping, and it looks like it's skipping, but it looks like it's not skipping enough to make a difference down here, and then once it gets there, the extruder, I don't know, it just seems to stop extruding for a little bit. And I'm not sure what to do to get it to extrude better. I've done a cold pull, and that showed nothing stuck in the nozzle. The fan, the heat break fan is going fine. Yeah, not sure what else to check.